pretty girl like you shouldn't be wandering around all by yourself.
But what if this pretty girl had a weapon like a GENT pipe? Today, in our studio, we will make such a pipe. And for this, we will need 2 cardboard tubes from foil or plastic warp, paper, transparent, double-sided and black tape, toilet paper rolls, black and gold paint, brushes, glue, cardboard and craft paper. First, we need to free the cardboard from the wrapping and drawings, and then we have to almost cut off a piece from the first tube and remove it completely from the second one. We put the wrapper in the fold for strength and mask it all with the paper tape. Then, I connect those 2 pieces with a small distance with paper tape and push the cardboard into the slot for rigidity. We cut the toilet paper roll in half and attach it to the pipes with double-sided tape on both sides. Now from the remains of the wrapper, we cut the rings for pipes, cover with paper tape and craft paper and put them on the weapon. To fill the hole between the pieces, I cut out 2 cardboard inserts and glued them on. Next, we want to make a cardboard box and cut a hole in the bottom of it for the remaining piece of pipe. We twist something like a rope from paper and insert it in the ends of the pipes. It is better to cover it with paper tape or glue it. Then we add the cardboard square for the sides on both sides, and it's finally time to paint the ink smudges on the pipe. That's the fun part. After that, we add the gold lightning bulb and the letters on both sides. Optionally, you can glue the antenna into the box. I used a drill and hot glue. Now you will be safe and you can smash the ink monsters and that subscribe button below. Also, I've got a cosplay of Audrey on the channel. You also need to watch it, or otherwise you will get a screamer.